Once we roll out the clay, it's very important to understand how stiff the clay is, how dry the clay is. This is straight out from the bag. You roll it out, it's got no strength. If I want to build tall, it just flop. Okay? If you let the piece of slab dry for a few hours in an airy place or under a fan, it depends how airy your place is. But as you can see that it's hardened a little bit. That is called the ladder stage, the early on ladder stage. It got strength when you build up, and then it's got the strength to build tall. When you're rolling out clays slab, so make sure that you flip and roll in all directions. Keep flipping it and keep rolling in all directions. Pay attention to those trapped air. If you do see a bubble trapped air, just poke it a bit. Then you'll get rid of those trapped air. So it's got a lot of lines and creases and all that. You can use a spatula just to smooth the clay. Then you get rid of all those markings. This slab has dried out a little bit to ladder stage. Then you can cut out the template, trace it on your slab, and then trim your slab, and then use a needle tool to draw those patterns on your clay. So you got the front, the back, the roof, 2 pieces of roof and 2 pieces of sides. Here you will score deep, basically on both sides. Crisscross it, score deep, and then same as this side. And then use some slip. Slip is basically a dry clay mixed with water. And put slip on both sides. Use a wooden tool. Scrape it, push on it, bond it together. It will be good to roll out a piece of sausage and to strengthen the joint. These scraper metal rib, if you don't have it, just use a credit card or any loyalty card, and then what you do is it's like the seam, clean up the seam here. If it's dented a little bit, put your hand in there and poke it out a little bit. You can see that here. Use a knife, put it at an angle, and then do an angle cut like this. Can you see that? Yeah, do an angle cut, and then same as this one. use a brush, wet it, and dry it with a cloth a little bit, not too dripping wet, and then go and tidy up the windows. How many windows do you like? From the template, I only cut out 2 windows. It's up to you. How many do you want and how much patience do you have? And use a sponge. Again, squeeze it dry. Soak it, squeeze it dry. Not dripping wet because you don't want to wet the house too much. You want still have the strength. And then here, then you clean up, smooth all the lines